Hey, welcome everybody. Eugene Hughes Motorized. Check out my dog's chew toy. Yeah, my dog thought this bike was a chew toy. We had an understanding. He chewed this up. I've got an old Sears Space Liner. He chewed the seat off of that at the same time too. So, but we've since had an understanding that he doesn't chew up my bike. So he's a lot happier. I'm going to motorize this thing here, right? We're going to put a 49cc four-stroke in it. Matter of fact, we're going to put this one in it, okay? Little problem, there's not enough room, so we're going to have to do some surgery on this here, okay? I'm going to cut it here. I'm going to cut it there. We're going to take this down tube out. We're going to cut it here. We're going to save as much of this as we can. I've already done some measuring and calculating on it. This here is where my down tube needs to come down. So I got to make a 90 here, come down here, and then we're going to make another 90 here. And we're going to put the engine right about there. That'll give me enough room. I've got the carburetor on the ass end, which will be like right in here. We got plenty, and then we're going to come out with the exhaust here. I may have to modify the exhaust, but that's not going to be a big deal at all. So stay tuned. Going to be a four-stroke there. This thing's going to be tearing ass through the neighborhood. This bike came with these wheels on it. I love the tires on it. I don't like the wheels so much. I'd rather not use alloy rims on these here, particularly these single thickness ones here. So I've upgraded here on the rear wheel. I've got a heavy-duty steel chrome wheel for the ass end, and on the front end I've got a heavy-duty steel chrome that's laced into a hub brake. So this thing here is going to, not only is it going to be tearing ass, but it's going to be stopping quick. So stay tuned. We're going to have to paint the whole bike, do some work on the graphics, because I'm going to be cutting and welding, and the paint's going to be trash. So this is going to be a fun project. So click that subscribe button. Give me a like, if thumbs up, all that good stuff. There's a lot more to come. We're just getting busy here. Y'all be careful. Take care. There's more stuff coming.